High school academies are a series of courses that students take in a career pathway. They may take one or more college courses that are taught by our faculty, and I work with school districts to set up those courses so that they're taught either at their high school, at a CVTC host site, or on our campus at CVTC. High school academies give students a chance to be able to take a course in a career pathway that they are exploring, to be able to identify if this is something that they really want to do as they move into their career pathway, and also to be able to save money and save time in college. So they're able to take up to a year of courses through CVTC, earn college credit and high school credit, and be able to then move into a 2-year or 4-year program and save a year of time.
Well, one of our goals with all of our high school students is that they have some successful post-secondary experience before they leave us. And I think they leave us having the confidence that they can move on to the next step once they've had that experience at CVTC.
We have a welding academy, a machine tool academy. We're going to be starting with an IT online academy, healthcare academy, and the college transfer academy. And so all those opportunities are helping our students get college and career ready. And with the State of Wisconsin initiative of having all of our high school students college and career ready before they graduate, what better opportunity for area districts to get our students one step closer to that goal.
The high school academy really helped with the fact that I didn't know if I wanted to be a machinist, if I wanted to be a welder, but it gave me the chance to take it and do it with no risk to myself except gaining more experience in different varieties. I am a hands-on learner, so it helps a lot with physically actually being able to do something, and then the correlation with what happens, what works, what didn't work is truly there.
Some of the students that are in the high school academy are working in industry as a part of certain programs that the companies will have. So they come to school, they go to their high school in the morning, come to CVTC in the afternoon, then from CVTC they go right into the workforce.
I'm taking Web 1. I'll learn how to code websites in HTML and CSS. It was worth my time, and I like this topic, so I might take more of it. I plan to go to college, and I think this will prepare me pretty well. It's fun, and it's interactive, and you're earning college credits and saving money.
All right, perfect. We're going to put this on.
We've been partnering with CVTC and the Healthcare Academy for around 3 years at this point. It's a really good opportunity because the CNA is really the foundation and kind of the pipeline for people that want to get into other areas of healthcare. So whether that's going on to be 2 or 4 year nurses, or whether that's getting into something very specific like radiography, radiology, sonography, any of those acute healthcare fields, CNA is where you have to start and really gives them those foundational skills that they can build off of.
Well, I was interested in business and learning more about business and maybe even getting a 4-year business degree someday. So I thought if I could get the free education while I'm in high school, and it's a subject that interests me, there's no reason not to do it. It's gone down with
the business management program that we are offering through the River Falls High School is a really exciting opportunity for students. It's the first one in the state that allows students to be able to enter as a freshman with the idea of moving into a business management degree. By the time they are seniors, they will graduate with their high school diploma. In addition, they'll have their associate's degree in business management that they can take with them anywhere that they go.
They can leave the high school and not have to start at the very beginning. They've already got their general education courses taken out of the way, a lot of their business courses. They can start right into a business program at the college level at the 2nd or 3rd year.
Well, I'd say for sure do it because it's a very interesting topic, and if you have a job out in the real world, you can easily apply what you're learning from this class and this academy into the job. And it's also just free education that you can get done while you're in high school versus after, where you're going to have to pay for it.
I think that this is an outstanding opportunity for students that are truly motivated to do something like this. This is great information for parents to get as a way to make college a little more affordable as well. I would encourage all high schools to take a look at this.
What's the risk to you? You're not wasting a bunch of money on something you're uncertain about, and odds are you're going to thoroughly love it.
I'd say try it. You don't know what you can do until you're in it, and there's a lot of support, a lot of resources, and we want you to take advantage of every opportunity you have, and we'll help you.
It can be life-changing for these students. Get a jump start on college, get right into the workforce, start making some money. It's a dream come true.
If you're interested in applying for one of our academies, you can apply right online or talk to your high school counselor. If you have questions about getting an academy started, you can reach out to me. I work with the school district to get their approval, and we register the students and send them their schedule.